This is Clash Royale. I'm going to battle. If you want, you can have a look at my deck. This is my deck. I might make a new deck, because I think I am right. We don't want the musketeer in, so we'll swap it with the skeleton. And we want the spear goblins, change it up to goblins. And mini P.E.K.K.A. We'll swap out the giant with the minion. That will be the deck we are using. Battle. We're just going to give him a good look. Skeletons. I'm going to drop the prince. This guy's a pretty good attacker. You have got to say. But then people say I'm a good attacker as well. Ooh, I hate those, whatever those guys called, those flying guys. Don't know really what they're called. I'll have a look in a minute. Ooh, the splash damage. One nil. Ooh, kill the mini P.E.K.K.A. Bomber. Yeah, bomber, right. Ooh. Prince. Oh no, there we go, right. Minion. Well, now it's gonna be 1-1 now. Okay, it's 1-1, which is good. Spear goblins. It's gonna be double elixir time in a minute. It's a minute now. Firebomb now. Shoot, yes. Skeletons. Prince. And oh, he won me. It was a good attack though, you got to say so. That's it for this video. Bye.